Hello! From this video, you will learn how to properly activate the smart contract of Tap Money Community Matic decentralized financial system. Before you proceed to the smart contract, prepare your cryptocurrency wallet. Set up the Polygon network in it and top up the balance in Matic for the activation amount. To activate the smart contract from a computer or laptop, open a browser where the wallet extension is installed. Activate MetaMask or Trust Wallet. In the browser address bar, paste the sponsor's referral link and click Go. Once the smart contract is updated, the wallet will ask for confirmation. Click Connect. Wait for each action to complete. If you're taken to the login page, you're fine. If not, contact the sponsor or our support team. Once the smart contract details are displayed on the login page, it means the wallet is connected and ready for interaction. Before activation, be sure to check the sponsor's address. It must match the address from the referral link. If the address does not match, stop and contact the sponsor or our support team. If everything is fine with the sponsor's address, continue. We choose the activation amount, 5 or 50 Matic, and click the registration button. The wallet will ask for confirmation. Confirm the transaction. As soon as the transaction passes and the contract is updated, you will be thrown into your personal cabinet. Congratulations! You have successfully activated the smart contract of the decentralized financial system Tap Money Community Matic. For activation with a tablet phone, open MetaMask or Trust Wallet application. Navigate to the wallet browser. Open the address bar. Paste the sponsor's referral link. Click Go. Wait for the wallet to connect to the smart contract. The wallet will ask you to confirm the connection. Confirm and connect the account you are about to activate. Once the contract data is displayed, be sure to check the sponsor's address. It should match the address from the referral link. If the address does not match, stop and contact the sponsor or our support team. If everything is fine with the sponsor address, continue. Choose the activation amount, 5 or 50 Matic, and click the Sign Up button. Confirm the transaction. Wait for the update. You will be automatically transferred to your personal cabinet. Congratulations! You have successfully activated a smart contract of the Tap Money Community Matic decentralized financial system. If you have any questions, please contact the sponsor or write to the support team. Subscribe to our information channels. All links you will find in the description below the video. Good luck!